I want to put a bigger subscription button on my YouTube videos. I have one now, but it's kind of more my logo. It's really small, and I want to up the subscription rate. So to do that, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. It's got the Fix-It guy, and I'm going to press on my little logo here at the top. I'm going to go to Your Channel. It's all done on iPad, which is kind of fun. And then here I'll go to channel, right. Go to YouTube Studio. Go down here to this little setting. Here is the button for settings for the channel. Press that. And now I'm going to go to, under settings, I'm going to go to channel. And under channel I want to go to branding. That's going to allow me to do a watermark. And a watermark is just something that's on all the videos. And it's a subscribe button. So currently we can see the one that's on there. It's kind of small. It does show on the entire video, so we think it's a good idea to allow this to be on the entire video, because you never know when somebody's going to be looking at what part of your video. So why not just have it on the whole thing? If you don't have one of these yet, you won't see this screen. It'll just say add one. You can press add. For me, I like to replace mine, so I'm going to press replace, and I'm going to go to photo library, where I have a little graphic. It's a subscribe button, pretty big one. It's a big square. Takes up on a screen like this about maybe this big, and it looks like a YouTube type of a symbol, so it's more likely people will click on it. I think this will be much more effective than the little logo that I made before. There's subscribe. Press done. And there it is. So that's a better size. And again, we recommend you use the entire video. And once you've done that, just press save. And now on any video that you have on your channel, it'll show up. So kind of fun. And should just take you a couple of minutes. The link that I got for that, show you guys. It's on Google Drive. I'll put this link at the bottom of the page in the description, but very easy. Once you go to this, shows up, and then you just press your download button up here. It'll download it to your device after you give permission, so I'll say download. And then once it downloads from your home screen, go to, on an iPad there's a files button, and just look under downloads, see if you can find it. There we go. So once you press it, use this button up here at the top right hand corner. You just want to say save image, and then you've got it right there in your photos. There we go. And then when you get to that part in the channel, it'll say where do you want to get it from. You just say you get it from your photos. It's right there. So I think that'll give you more subscribers because it's bigger. It's more of a type of symbol that people are likely to click on, and it is good to show that you want it to be done on the entire video. So hopefully that'll help you, and please subscribe to this channel when you get a chance. Thanks a lot.